Morning. It's the Ambassador at 8:51 on Monday, the 28th of September. Looking at emerging market weakness, a 4-day run now off of Friday's dips point of close in the States. China down 2.6%. Looking at the Shanghai A-share market, now only up 3% on the month after being as high as 15%, and really trailing the rest of the asset class. Many wondering whether it's actually leading the asset class, as it often has here. But weakness in Asia, India down 50 basis points, South Korea down 94, Taiwan down 83. But a lot of that is turned into positive trading into European time and into a pre-U.S. Open here. Oil's recovered to positive. The dollar index is weakening. The commodity index, which had been down, is now effectively flat. So we're seeing a bit of a turnaround. No real data in the States to give that impetus. In fact, some of these indices looked a little bit oversold, but Russia back up to 35 basis points, reversing a move down earlier this morning, move into the blue chips, notably Lukoil outperforming some of the other big blue chips, watching there else nickel. Into Latin America, Brazil indicated down 5 basis points at this point, and also moving higher with the global markets in the last hour. Significant IPO activity, especially in the real estate section in Brazil over the last 48 trading hours, and watching more digestion of that. As we recap the G20, I don't think we came through with any formative gifts to emerging market, other than that the financial balance is changing and that there is a continued goal to give countries like China, currently only 3.6% of a vote within the IMF, a much bigger stake. And China's choosing their own path to reconciling that. But last week's $50 billion IMF bond deal that they did was one way of saying we're going to act independently and begin to try to turn that balance in our favor. As we look to the rest of the week, I point out that 30th of September is in the evening when we will get the PMI numbers in China, which have had a big impact on the direction of these markets. And clearly, as we look all the way back to the start of the year, PMI is the one indicator that has been consistently higher and consistently that which has given commodities and other big elements of the emerging market indices reason for a rally. So watch that. That will be a driver. That's Wednesday night. That's it from here.